Here's a HAWKBILL, very hard to sharpen. Take the serrated part right in the middle. I've done every kind possible. It will not chew up the teeth. It won't knock them down.
That's what I was worried about, yeah.
Yep, see, no metal at all came off. Feel how sharp they went. That works, don't it? These ain't from ding-a-donga now. The hook part, squeeze it, draw through. The pin's sliding so it finds that edge for you. We're 100% American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. We do put our website right on the handle of the sharpener. You get good with these, you'll sharpen anything handed to you. Use leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes. That'll give you a little bit more. Wow. I dropped these down in the show.